changing the linear bearings on the top clamp assembly. Push in an E-stop, then open the saw chamber door. When done, do a proper lockout and tagout procedure on the machine's main electrical panel. Now locate the panel or disconnect in the plant that supplies the power to the machine and do a proper lockout and tagout procedure on it. This photo is just an example of a disconnect. Remove the guard covering the top clamp assembly. Lift up on the top clamp assembly and lift up on the hand clamp handle inside the cutting chamber. This will hold the clamp up while changing the bearings. Push in on the yellow lockout lever on the main air pressure regulator and lock out tagout that lever to prevent pneumatic parts from moving. Remove the bolts from the bearings on one side of the top clamp and save the bolts for reuse. Do not remove all 4 bearings at the same time. Slide the bearings off the top side of the linear bearing rail. Replace the bearings on that side, leaving the plastic ball bearing cover in place on the new bearings. The cover will slide off when you slide the new bearings on from the top of the rail. Reinstall the bolts. Now perform the same procedure on the linear bearings on the other side of the top clamp. Grease the new bearings before putting the machine back into use. Lower the clamp by holding it up while pushing down on the handle inside the cutting chamber and lower the clamp. Close the saw chamber door. When done, replace the guard to cover the top clamp assembly. Reverse the lockout tagout procedure and restart the machine.